Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 21st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, if you've been following along with my videos, I've been saying that there's a good chance this is the end of a pullback. And for me, it's mostly because of the correlated dollar pairs, especially the US dollar index, that I think that this right here could be the end of a pullback. And if it is the end of a pullback, it could make a move up, but it more than likely will continue to make lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and lower highs. I got my Fibonacci retracement on here just in case it does make three ways down to a fib level and turn up really impulsively, then we can recognize that it is going back up. But as of right now, there's really no reason to think that that is what's going on yet. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, we did get a little bit of a push up. And if it does start to push up, the first thing I would do is do my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. Then I would observe to see if it's an impulsive move like that, which is not what I think is going to happen, but it definitely could happen. Or if it decides to make more of a corrective overlapping pattern like this, if it makes a corrective overlapping pattern, then that tells me that I definitely want to try to get it short again for the continuation of the downtrend. Hopefully, this really is a wave one, wave two, and we're currently in a wave three to the downside. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.